Hello, welcome to Maths at Harris Academy, Greenwich. Our maths curriculum here at Harris Greenwich is designed to provide our students with the foundation needed to develop mathematical understanding, not just in the classroom, but in the real world around us. We aim to provide our students with the necessary skills to be able to reason mathematically and appreciate the beauty and creativity of mathematics. Maths is essential to everyday life, and we want our students to enjoy learning, be curious, and develop their logical thinking. Now, all of this starts in the classroom where they learn the content. Our lessons are mixed attainment. All lessons are pitched high and all students are supported to reach their full potential and given the opportunity to flourish. We foster a mastery approach to teaching. So we're very big on the 5 big ideas: mathematical thinking, fluency, variation, conceptual understanding, and coherence, of course, runs across all of those strands. We also deliver functional maths at the end of every unit, especially for our Year 7 students. We want them to experience how the maths they're learning in the classroom is applicable in everyday life. They've looked at finance and budgeting, and they've just currently been working on mobile phone contracts and using algebra and substitution, and there's lots more exciting things to come. We're also making links across other subjects, such as DT, where they're using lots of space, shape and measure to create amazing pieces of work, and economics and science, and the list just goes on. And this gives students a clear understanding that maths is not just something that you learn in the classroom, it is something that we see all around us, everywhere, and across all of our subjects. An example of how the curriculum builds throughout each year is Year 7 have just started doing Introduction to Algebra. And this is an example of the I do, we do stage of our mixed attainment lessons. It's an introduction to algebra, the discovery of variables and expressions and manipulation of terms, which gives them an important practice of addition, subtraction and negative numbers. It also ensures that students have a sense of progress whilst delivering arithmetic skills. We build on this in Year 8 with an introduction to quadratic expressions, and we develop the key ideas from the introduction to algebra in Year 7. We show them how to apply the ideas to quadratic expressions, including looking at the difference of 2 squares and simple rearranging formula. In Year 9, we move on to solving algebraic problems, and here's another example of the I do, we do stage. In Year 9, we take the algebra skills and we show them how to factorise quadratics to solve where there are 1 or 2 solutions, and introduce inequalities to solve algebraic problems when relationships are not equal. Moving into Key Stage 4, in Year 10, we look at different methods to solve quadratics, and we also introduce algebraic fractions. So we learn alternative ways to solve quadratic equations so that students have a variety of ways to approach common questions, and we combine this with algebraic fractions that can be linear or quadratic. The format of our lessons changes slightly at Key Stage 4 to support students at GCSE level. Here are some examples of work, our current Year 7 work, and as you can see, the way they set their books out is quite distinct. All students are encouraged to use middle margins in their books. Examples are written in red pen, so they've got very clear examples that they can follow, and all students must show a complete method when they're doing their working out. Everything is fully marked and corrections are made in red pen so that they can be referred back to if need be. This is an example of some Year 10 work, and you can also see that the setup is pretty much the same. Obviously, the content is a lot more challenging because it's building up from previous years. But again, you can see that there are examples in red pen that are very clear. There is a complete method for working out, and everything again is fully marked. Additionally, here is an example of our homework. Now, this is our Hegarty Maths homework that is given out to all of Key Stage 3 and all of Key Stage 4, and actually some of our A-level students do use this as well. It is an online homework, and students will watch a short video. They will copy down the examples. Again, you can see in this that the examples are again in red pen. They will then go on to do a quiz, and all of the working out for the quiz is done in their homework book, again showing a complete method, and everything is fully marked. Now, Year 7 do only one piece of Hegarty homework a week, and all the rest of our year groups do 2 pieces of Hegarty homework per week. At Key Stage 4, this is in addition to other homework to support, again, their GCSEs. Thank you for coming to Maths and having a look. My name's Miss Gilson. I'm the Head of Maths at Harris Academy Greenwich. And if you have any further questions, my email address is there. Please do drop me an email and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.